guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're doing well. Today I've received my bespoke order for Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which I ordered for my husband, so I'm really excited. I'll do a quick unboxing and show you the watch. Just to mention that I did do a video when I did the bespoke order, when I customized it. The video was published a few days ago. I'll link it up there if you want to have a look. So let's open this up. Okay, let's open it up. By the way, just to mention, because I customized the watch strap came separately. This came a few days ago and the watch came today. So let's open this up. So here, let's check what's in the box here. So we have a quick start guide, several languages, and a warranty card. 2 warranty card. Okay, I'll have a look at that later. Okay, looking up on this side. Let's check this side out. Okay, so here we have the USB-C charging dock. This should offer faster charging. If you remember, last year's is USB-A charging, so this is something that I'm going to test out and see if how much faster it charges with the new charging cable. So here's the watch, and you'll notice there's no watch strap here because I've customized it, which came separately. I'll unbox that in a minute. It's just a package about being sealed. Okay, let's take the watch up. That's really nice. I love the chrome base. So the new watch comes with a titanium frame, which is of course very strong, and sapphire glass, which is probably one of the toughest material. And it's silver, well, it's grey but looks a bit like silver, but it is a really nice matte grey. And then you've got the 2 watch button there. So here we have the atmospheric pressure sensor. So this is the debuckle sports band, which I really like as well. So we have the instruction manual here. Okay, so how to put the belt on the watch. And then we have the belt here. It's actually a really nice belt. It feels really comfortable and light as well. I think it's one of those belts, if you're out and about or a sports person, it's perfect. You won't get stuck to your skin. Okay, and I love the buckle, which is really good, because then you don't have to be like my one, for example, looking for the right hole to put it in and getting it right. It's quite lengthy. This is quick and easy. Here we have the speakers. And then just there, and then on this side here we have the microphone, and then at the back here we have the sensors. These are, by the way, health sensors. So here we have the infrared temperature sensor, and here we have the optical heart rate sensor, and then that little hole there is the pressure vent, just there. And you can see it's a UK version. It's got 5 ATM for water resistant, and this one is 45 mm. So this one has a digital bezel, and if you remember from the previous year, last year's one has a mechanical bezel, which is physical basically, which I found it quite useful, but I guess they done away with it because of the huge battery they put in this one. I understand from some of the videos I've watched it's lasting people 3 days, so that's really good. Okay, let's put the belt on. So to put the belt on, we have the tiny little holes on each side, and these little things go in there. Yeah, so let's do this. Put this side in first. Yep, and then to put the other side in, you just pull the little silver thing there. Just this here, pull it in. That should push. There you go. Is that in? Yep, that's in. Let's do the other side. So again, put one end in first, then pull the other end in. That's it. There you go. So you can see, I love the finish on this watch. It looks really nice. And then all you have to do is adjust according to your hand size. But this is magnetic and it's firm. This side goes in there. Let's put it in. You can adjust it afterwards. So this is in, and then you push down. There you go, it's very firm. Okay, and then you just pull open, and the magnetic, can you feel and hear the magnetic pull? It's very firm and strong. Did you hear this? So the new Watch 5 Pro is heavier than the Watch 4 Classic, and I think it's much more classier and better looking as well. Sorry, 4. This one is definitely lighter. I've ordered the newer 5 version of this as well. It's on its way, so I'll do a comparison and review of this as soon as I can. So in the meantime, let's turn the watch on and see. Select region. Okay, I just selected language, so now it wants the country. Okay, United Kingdom. Restart. Welcome. Okay. Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Okay, great. Once it up, I'll show in another video. In the meantime, I'll just quickly try it on so you guys can see how it looks. So here we go. It looks really nice, but it's a bit big for my hand. So this is the only size that comes. So if you have a small hand like mine, it'll look huge. That's one of the reasons I went for the Watch 5 and not the Pro, and my husband went for the Pro. It looks rather nice on his hand. I'll try to get a snap on his hand as well and put it in so you can see. But it is a really beautiful watch. And then of course you got the magnetic buckle, which buckles up. You don't have to fluff about like my one. I'll also show you the charging dock. This is the new charging dock, and I just wanted to show you. So it has a lot more magnetic strength compared to last year's. So if you can hear the pull and the click, which is much stronger compared to last year. And I'll show you last year's now, which is here. This is the last year's one. It's barely pulling, if you can see. I used to sometimes put my one on charge, and a slight movement and you just fall off. Just want to show you. Here we go. See the difference? So I'm going to let my husband set it all up. Once he's done that, I'll do a quick impression and comparison to the Watch 4 Classic and give you a review. So do subscribe and keep your notification bell on. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please do give it a like. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.